Start. Before the court stop, such averment neither find place in the first information report nor in his statement during investigation stop. No recovery of country-made pistol also creates a serious doubt regarding the alleged averment against Roshan Lal, therefore, it may be concluded that the prosecution has failed to establish the guilt of appellant number 1 Roshan Lal beyond reasonable doubt. Stop. If more than one inferences can be drawn, then the accused must have the benefit of doubt. Stop. In the facts and circumstances of the case, we are satisfied that the conviction of appellant number 1 Roshan Lal cannot be sustained and his appeal ought to be allowed. Stop. Para 25 dot. As far as the evidence against appellant number 3 Banke Lal is concerned, the first information report itself contains the averment regarding use of bhala by him during the commission of crime, which is corroborated by the ocular as well as medical evidence. Stop. Para 26 dot. PW3 Dr. S.K. Khare has categorically stated in his oral testimony that the injuries on the body of the deceased could have been caused by small kata and bhala, thus, corroborating the factum of use of bhala in the crime. Stop. The guilt of appellant number 3 Banke Lal is fully corroborated and substantiated by the oral as well as the documentary evidence, and prosecution has efficiently established its case against appellant number 3. Stop. Para 27 dot. This is a broad daylight murder in which the accused persons have brutally killed Kuwar Sen in a planned manner due to previous enmity, the solitary witness of this gruesome murder is the brother of the deceased, complainant Chote Lal within bracket PW1, who has narrated the entire incident in detail in the court. Stop. The other three witnesses alleged to have seen the occurrence, namely, Mahesh Lal, Dharamveer and Pandit Rameshwar, have not been produced in the court by the prosecution, as with the accused persons, hence, they were, accordingly discharged. Stop. Para 28 dot. PW1, has categorically stated that out of the 4 accused, Roshan Lal was armed with the pistol by which he fired a shot in the chhari field in the beginning, he did not use pistol afterwards. Stop. The other 3 accused who attacked and caused injuries to Kuwar Sen, they were Kali Charan, who was armed with a kata, Pyare Lal and Banke Lal, who were armed with bhala each. Stop. Dr. S.K. Khare within bracket PW3, who conducted the post-mortem of the deceased, found 14 ante-mortem injuries on the dead body, which included punctured and incised wounds. Stop. The doctor has also stated that all these injuries could have been caused by a small kata and bhala, thus, corroborating the allegation of use of bhala in the commission of crime by appellant number 3 Banke Lal. Stop. Para 29 dot. The first information report of this case was lodged promptly as 3:05 p.m. and the incident took place in broad daylight at about 9:30 a.m. and it cannot be believed that the complainant, who is real brother of the deceased, would spare the real murders and will implicate accused falsely. Stop. The testimony of complainant PW1. Stop. सो गाइज ये डिक्टेशन आपका हो गया है और स्पीड कांस्टेंट चल रही थी, लास्ट में मैंने खींचा है और इसकी स्पीड फ्लक्चुएशन स्पीड देखिए तो 98 वर्ड पर मिनट टू 115 वर्ड पर मिनट हुई है, ठीक है। और ओवरऑल स्पीड इसकी है 110 वर्ड पर मिनट। पीडीएफ की लिंक मैंने दी है, आप लोग डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा जब मैटर चेक करिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको ऐसे ही फ्लक्चुएशंस वाले डिक्टेशंस मिलें तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए। आज के लिए इतना ही। जय हिंद।